Welcome student in Christ Church Convent Digital Classes, subject Chemistry, Unit 4, Chemical Bonding. Chapter name is Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure. So in this chapter our objectives are to understand Coastal-Lewis approach to chemical bonding, explain the octet rule and its limitation, draw Lewis structure of simple molecules, explain the formation of different types of bond, describe valency cell electron pair repulsion theory and predict the geometry of simple molecule, explain the valency bond approach for the formation of covalent bond, predict the directional properties of covalent bond, explain different types of hybridization involving sp and d orbitals and draw shapes of simple covalent molecules, describe the molecular orbital theory of homonuclear diatomic molecules and explain the concept of hydrogen bond. So these are our objectives. In this chapter we are going to study all this. Now as we all know, matter is made up of one or different types of element. कोई भी पदार्थ जो है एक या एक से अधिक प्रकार के तत्वों से मिलकर बना होता है. अंडर नॉर्मल कंडीशन नो अदर एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट एन इंडिपेंडेंट एटम इन नेचर except noble gases. However, a group of atoms is found to exist together as one species having characteristic properties. Such a group of atoms is called molecule. Obviously, there must be some force which hold or bind these constituent atoms together in the molecules. So the attractive force which bond or holds the various constituent like atom, ions, etc. together in a different chemical species is called a chemical bond. Since the formation of chemical compound takes place as a result of a combination of atoms of various elements in different ways, चूँकि किसी भी कंपाउंड में जो एटम्स का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है वो अलग अलग प्रकार से हो सकता है, तो इससे कई तरह के प्रश्न उठते हैं. जैसे वाई डू एटम कंबाइन, एटम आपस में कंबाइन क्यों होते हैं. वाई आर ओनली सर्टेन कॉम्बिनेशन पॉसिबल, क्यों केवल कुछ ही कॉम्बिनेशन संभव होते हैं. Why do some atoms combine while certain other do not? केवल कुछ ही एटम कॉम्बिनेशन या केमिकल रिएक्शन में भाग लेते हैं, दूसरे नहीं, जैसे कि ग्रुप 18. Why do molecules have definite shape? मॉलिक्यूल का शेप डेफिनेट क्यों होता है. To get answers of such questions, different theories and concepts have been put forward from time to time. These are Coastal-Lewis approach, valency cell electron pair repulsion theory, VBT valence bond theory, MOT molecular orbital theory. The evolution of various theories of valency and their interpretation of the nature of chemical bond have closely been related to the development in the understanding of the structure of atom, the electronic configuration of element and the periodic table. Every system tends to be more stable and bonding is in nature way of lowering the energy of the system to attain stability. So it is in the nature bonding, and it is in the nature of every system so that it can get stability. So you can apply it on our daily life also. Humans live in group or in society so that he can get stability in his life. He make friends also to help them in difficult time. Similarly, elements do to become stable. They form bond. Atoms form bond, reactive atoms form bond to become stable or to complete their octet. Now, first of all, we will see Poisson-Lewis approach to chemical bonding. See heading 4.1. In order to explain the formation of chemical bonds in terms of electron, a number of attempts were made, but it was only in 1916 when Poisson and Lewis succeeded independently in giving a satisfactory explanation They were the first to provide some logical explanation of valency, which was based on the inertness of noble gases. Lewis pictured the atom in terms of a positively charged kernel, the nucleus plus the inner electrons, and the outer shell that could accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons. He further assumed that these 8 electrons occupy the corners of a cube which surround the kernel, which is positively charged. Thus, the single outer shell electron of sodium would occupy one corner of the cube, while in the case of noble gases, all the 8 corners would be occupied. This octet of electrons represent a particularly stable electronic arrangement. Lewis postulated that atoms achieve the stable octet when they are linked by chemical bonds. In the case of sodium and chlorine, this can happen by the transfer of an electron from sodium to chlorine. Sodium metal loses electron and chlorines gain, thereby giving the Na plus and Cl minus ion. In the case of other molecules like Cl2, H2F2, etc., the bond is formed by the sharing of a pair electrons between the atom. In the process, each atom attains a stable outer octet of electron. Now we'll see Lewis symbol. So what is Lewis symbol? We'll see